Hello, my name is Dawn Petrell, and we're here in my studio. It's my day 2 of my studio open house, and before everybody arrives, I just wanted to do a quick video talking about my Earthscapes series. So I'm just going to show you a couple things. I actually have an explanation here about it, and the first thing I do when I do an Earthscape is I do a little research and some preliminary drawings. So this piece here it's in progress is a piece about rural Ohio, and I've taken some photographs, found some photographs on the web and taken some photographs, and I have some reference materials. I have a drawing here of, kind of my vision, my vision of what it's going to be. And then I have more of a detailed drawing here. And this shows all the pieces and parts that I have and where I've drilled holes into them, and I've labeled the holes. So before I get into kind of this piece right here, I'm gonna just show you step by step. So the first thing I do is I use brown hardwood. These are some small pieces that I'm gonna be doing, and they're actually based on scraps of wood. But normally I would cut out the wood pieces depending on what my shapes are. You can see I have X's where I will be drilling them and putting them together. The next step then is to drill those holes and have them kind of correspond with the layers. Then I add my objects in, and I do that in the gesso stage, which is sort of a very hard primer paint that when it dries, I mean, these things aren't going anywhere. So that's the next stage. Then I'll kind of paint them and figure out, what my layers are going to be. So this piece is more advanced, where I've done all those steps. I've done a little bit more painting. I put the dowels back in, and I've glued spacers. I don't know if you can see. I glued some spacers in. They're just sponges behind the pieces, so that it has a little bit of depth to it. I've also labeled all my holes that correspond with the dowel rods. I've measured the dowel rods. I will eventually cut these dowel rods down, and they'll be flat on the surface, but as they go down, they'll be poking out the back. And actually, I'm going to show you this piece. This is more of a finished piece. It is a finished piece. And behind it, you can see the dowel rods that are poking through. So all the layers have been glued and have poked through. And then once I've done all the gluing, I'll do more painting on it and refining and things like that. And I varnish it, and then it's done. It's a long process. I try to do this like a piece a month or so. That's my goal. It would be great if it was 2 pieces a month, but it takes a while to do. But I really have been enjoying the process, and I've been enjoying sharing it with everyone as well. Thank you.